supported me, whether it was through good times or bad times. I came here a couple times crying, and everyone rushed through and helped me and tried to figure out ways to help me. And as far as welding, whenever I got stuck on anything, my favorite instructor, Big John, always kept his heels on me. Like, he made sure I went through every process. And he knew for a fact that I was gonna be really good at welding as soon as he seen me. And he said as soon as I became under his wing, he got me. I don't got nothing to worry about. I'm cool. So that's why he's been like a mentor to me as well.
It means an opportunity. There's more than this school. There's more than just the 6 months and 900 hours of training. There's opportunity for us to see who we are. There's opportunities for others to see who we are, you know? So at the end of the day, that's what that means to me when I hear PTTI. Growth, opportunity.
PTTI to me basically means an opportunity for growth. And also you can do it in a different way. This gives us an opportunity in order to change our lives for the better and do it in a fraction of the time. A lot of people going here in 7 months are going to be in a different place, and that's a great opportunity that I think a lot of people need to be aware of.
Welding is the foundation, so I want to be established, that's all. I want to be an established Forex trader. I've tapped in with the Forex market and trading currency, and that's how I want to live my life. I want to be able to work from wherever I want to, basically. So step one is developing a skill. Having a skill that can make you money anywhere, anytime, at any place. So that goes along with being able to work anywhere, anytime, any place. I can work how I want, when I want, and the skill will always be there. I can go to any part of the world, for any job, and I'll always need a welder, for any situation.
Skills and knowledge that will take you past any trade that you're signing up to do or that you're interested in. It's building life skills. It's, like I said, it's free. It's knowledge. And that's probably one of the most important things you can have in your life.